bean company, yeah, they have a buy me a coffee. Shouts out to them. Like I said, we got community names on the list and our other people we just associate with and do our networking with. So we actually got the cannabis community using buy me a coffee, and then there's the normal YouTubers who, hey, I might not have that 1,000 subs or I ain't keeping up with 4,000 watch hours, but I got that buy me a coffee set up so the people that rock with me can go ahead and get their perks and benefits per level. You dig? Per level. Shouts out to Canna King because they actually make good content. I suggest y'all go over there and check them out. They grow me from the grow community. Then let's see. Oh, next on the list is the big homie. Shouts out to Norma Gee over there with AC Infinity doing their thing. Y'all know AC Infinity has been rocking the game with grow equipment for years. I suggest you get you any of their products because it's worth the money. You see what I'm saying? Whether it's you setting up your home grow or setting up a official operation. Shout out to the official operations. Hell, you might even go over there and get sponsored. But it's definitely good to link up with their buy me a coffee because it might get you a special access to discount codes. Given that AC Infinity's out there doing a thing. Hey, shout out to Norman Gee. He's definitely one of the pillars in our cannabis community, and we definitely was happy to see that he's investing in the buy me a coffee because hey, YouTube content is cool, but YouTube content is better when it's monetized, right? Okay, let's see. Next we got G Dank on the list. Shout out to G Dank. Appreciate them. Once again, there are more people we met over on Higher Desert Exotic. Like I said, we do a lot of network now here on these YouTube streets. So anybody that's putting in that work, we like to link up with them. You dig? Shout out to linking up with them because hey, that keeps the show rolling. I mean, whether it's me coming up with a show or the homies coming up with a show, it's always an opportunity to do you some networking and put yourself out there, give a little information while getting a little information. You dig? Hey, the information is supposed to be passed around. That's why they call it a circle. And as you see, let me see if I'm zoomed in good enough. You might not be able to see the numbers, but we're showing you posts. Okay, shouts out to that. That's a May 20th last year post. Yeah, it's got over 125 views because, like I said, when you post and use Buy Me a Coffee, there's actually a lot of people using the site. So it's actually pushing this to people who use the site and go through and just look at things themselves. So it's another way to get more attention to yourself. And then since they're on Buy Me a Coffee, they might just support you right then and there. They have the option to just, man, he just dropped another video on Rumble, YouTube, wherever you post it to. Then they'll be able to see it and just instantly throw you the support right there. Like, man, this dude's putting in that work. Let me go watch this video. Oh, it was a good video. Then they come back to Buy Me a Coffee and they buy you a coffee. It be like that sometimes. Oh yeah, the only thing you gotta pay is attention. I keep telling people, hell, that's one of my gonna be one of the trademark phrases coming up, Coach Harry. I ain't got to worry about you stealing that one, but you can go ahead and use it freely. You can use that one freely. The only thing you gotta pay is attention. Hell, that's why I keep telling people I've been rich. Hell, I learned to pay attention at a young age. It made me a lot of money through my travels. Hell, yeah, paying attention, that's what you need to be rich in. I'm rich in paying attention, not getting attention. Hell, I'll do things that didn't make sense, but it made sense to me because I was paying attention to what I needed to be doing at that point in time. Shout out to, what do they say? Luck is prep plus opportunity. And if you're paying attention, you've already prepared for the opportunity. Shout out to that part of the game, you dig? Hell, shout out to the monetization coaching because let's go over here and talk about it. Because there's plenty of ways to use Buy Me a Coffee. Like I said, you got your memberships. Shouts out to the memberships. We got multiple levels of memberships, which each have their own benefits. We could talk about it all day, but you could just go ahead and figure out which one you need for yourself. You dig? Shouts out to the memberships because, hey, like I said, the monetization coaching, which is partially what this video is about today, it's given in level 2 for right now. Like I said, the end of 2025, I'm going to make that a level 3 benefit. It won't be a level 3 benefit, it'll be a level 4 benefit. But there's a but to it, but we'll figure that out later. You dig? I got it.